Stop before returning to store. Contact us for help. Why would he return it?
Into the ball.
Oh!
I can't go the right way.
Woo! Hey guys, we're here today with Young Wok and Mowgli. We're here today with a very special video. You may
one
have
more
seen
person.
Who?
Nigel.
Nigel's with us in spirit. I can smell your new shirt from here.
Smells
Sure
great.
it's not this.
It's that.
My new sweatshirt. Look at it's got electronic braking. You could just. My board, you have to put your foot down, wear your shoes out. Look at this.
If only Uzi brought this much energy with every single video we make. So you guys have seen the electric drift trikes. You've seen the regular drift trikes. You guys seem to like those very much. And I was walking with Aussie Dan at Target. Aussie said, "What is this?" And I said, "Oh, this is a electric drift skateboard." So we're gonna open it up and see. But just from looks, you can drift up to approximately 72 degrees.
Drift? What you mean drift?
You can drift. There's a full non-slip grip tape, 22 volt rechargeable battery, electronic braking, and polyurethane wheels.
You're a what? Look at it's UL certified.
Dude, there's 4 levels of drift: 0 degrees, 12 degrees, 24 degrees, and 36 degrees with a brushless hub motor, variable speed, tight turning radius, wireless speed controller, battery life indicator, and a 6-mile range.
Can you imagine drifting for 6 miles?
I just need
Can
some
it be
water.
done?
It's a long drift.
I'm very thirsty right now.
Turnstile, that's what it's called. More like drift style, am I right? Got some problems there, Chief?
All right, interesting packaging.
Let's pull this bad boy out. Oh, what is this?
All right.
Oh, that's the drift.
Snap!
That's the drift percentage.
Hold on, Dan, check this out. So you can there's this little button right here. You can bring this outward and change the level of driftability. That's quite impressive. Stop before returning to store. Contact us for help. Why would he return it? It's a little DJ
No, look,
board.
it turns the opposite way. Look,
Wait,
you turn
what?
left, it turns right.
No.
Yes,
No.
I swear.
Oh, it's inverted.
This is like a,
So if you're like,
it should be the
if you want to
back
turn this way.
Oh no, it is the back foot.
foot. Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, because you have to whip it. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, it could have potential. It says goes up to 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers an hour.
Hey Dan.
Wait, 10 miles per hour?
Yeah.
And it goes 6 miles. So you could ride for a long time.
You could ride for roughly 40 minutes. Dan, you want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Hey, YouTube. You got a little something behind your ear. Let me get that for you. Oh! Where'd that come from?
Are you David Blaine? Wait, the light is on.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh wait, I felt something. Yeah.
Maybe just give it a push.
I think I'm going. You think you're going? Oh,
You're going!
It's very weird. It's like 4 seconds delayed. I'm gonna turn on the drift mode. I'm drifting. I'm drifting into the ball. I almost died. Drift. What you mean? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's so weird. It goes opposite. This is a death trap. Oh!
Whoa! Careful, dude!
It keeps taking me to where I don't want to go. Wait, I'm gonna drift around. I'm gonna go in a circle. It's interesting. Anyway, am I going four-wheeling in the grass?
I want to try it so bad, but I'm like weirded out by it. I don't trust it.
No, I don't trust it either. This thing's shifty, but all right. It's like
Wow, that was good. You whipped that one.
whoo. Hey, I get it now. It's kind of like a snowboard. Oh.
Whoa!
Try again. Don't aim for the big bull. Actually, no, aim for it, bro.
Oh, that's not right, dude.
I don't think it really works well with people that know how to skateboard because it doesn't go with how you know how to skateboard. But okay, we're getting there. Got it. He's a natural. Oh, he almost died.
It's the weirdest thing I ever did.
Auto brakes though.
All right, Mowgli, go ahead and give it a try.
All right, so how do I go? Oh, go stop. Oh.
Yep.
Am I standing on it right? This is
No,
the
no,
back.
no.
Oh,
That's the back.
Oh my! I don't know why I was
Hey, and
leaning back.
that's the shortest drift radius too.
Really?
It can triple that. Oh!
Yeah.
It kind of makes sense. You just have to think, instead of leaning, when you turn your leg this way, it's not gonna go that way. You have to lean back.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's like you gotta trick your brain. It's like learning switch.
How can I think of this? Let's see.
Right down the ramp.
I know, but I'm trying to like think like, okay, I got to point wherever my toe goes. Like, so if I want to turn right, I point my toe that way. All right, we're going. We're going.
Whoa!
I feel like if you were going full speed on this thing,
If you went any faster than 10 miles per hour, you can get absolutely bodied, dude.
I want to go for the rainbow thing.
Oh! Nice.
Okay.
Drift on the quarter.
I don't know how to do that yet. All right, over the rainbow.
You can't even ride straight.
Ah! 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 Do you think you're man enough with the rainbow?
I don't think I am. I'm scared.
The mogul section?
I'm so scared. Oh!
If anything, I feel like it might make your balance better because it's just so unpredictable. Let's see if I can hit 10 miles an hour going like this.
That's hilarious, dude.
Oh, wait, we gotta set up like a cone. All right, around the cone. Okay, we're starting a new trend here. Skate drifting.
Oh! Oh, he's getting the hang of it. Yeah, Dan.
Hey, I'm going. I'm doing it.
Yeah. That's so funny.
I'm really dizzy. I think I got the hang of it now. Stop.
Oh my. Dan, please try it. Give it a try, Aussie.
He almost died.
Go give it a shot, please.
Oh my. Oh, that's actually okay. That's actually really weird. How did oh, it's the opposite. How did he do this? Oh no.
Whoa.
I can't do it. I can't go the right way.
There you go. You're getting there.
I see.
Aha! So you gotta turn and lean the opposite way.
Okay. That's really sketchy.
I'm gonna give it a shot.
Wait.
Yeah, see, that's what I was doing. You gotta do it the other way.
Wait, what?
You gotta go opposite.
Go. Go. Go.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Well, it won't go though.
Did it die? No, you gotta power. You gotta power down. It doesn't look like you're full throttle.
I'm full throttling, dude.
Let me see. You got the power on? It shows the battery life 100%, 60%, 30%, and they're all flashing. It's at 190%. Hey, drift the cone. If you think you got
the Backside is not the way, brother. All right, one more. I gotta get a good one. And then Mowgli takes it in the snake run.
Oh my god.
I'm done with this thing. Try to run with it.
I have a mission for you. Go all the way up and then down the other side.
You know what's kind of confusing? Is the arrows only point one direction.
I know, there's no way to tell you like which way it goes.
Nigel? The ESTL4s. So
Go ahead and give it a shot.
I already heard about it. No, try it. For drifting, you see the cone set up? I was drifting around the cone.
I don't think so.
You just got to give it a push before it the electric starts going.
What the what? It goes the other way. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Wow.
Go back the other way.
You can. You just gotta turn your foot and lean.
It's confusing yet satisfying.
This is so weird. I gotta like focus where I'm turning. Alright, how fast does it go?
10 miles an hour.
I don't want to go 10 on this thing. That seems sketchy.
You're already going 10.
Oh. Oh. That was brave.
Why, nobody's done that yet?
No.
Oh, no, I don't want to go this way. Oh my god.
Oh. Where you going, Dan?
Right here.
In the snake run?
Yeah, I'm trying to carve. Alright, hit this corner. Alright, alright.
Okay, alright, alright.
Alright, now we go.
Hit it, front 180.
Ooh.
Hey! Yeah. Yes!
Okay.
Yes! Yes! That was great.
You can't stop thinking about it, you know?
But I hit a curve real quick. Hey, into the whole thing. Alright, here we go.
Alright, let's get it.
Getting into it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh!
I like forget how to turn on it.
I just see that halfway down.
I'm carving. Oh, that was like, I could have died.
Alright, Mowgli, keep your back foot very straight.
Y'all wild.
Don't even think about it yet. Just go in.
Woo! Woo!
Dude, that was intense.
That was.
Like, look at that steep hill with this. Like, skateboard is nothing, but this is uncharted, unknown territory. So, I don't know. All right, so we're riding this thing like 40 minutes. What do you guys think?
Yo, this thing is sick. I'm gonna use this instead of my normal board.
There you go then, brother.
Just kidding.
It's interesting.
But yeah, it is
Getting used to
pretty
it.
fun.
The way it turns is kind of the hardest thing, I think.
Yeah, is it me or did the trucks bend?
I don't know.
Well, it was very interesting.
Yeah.
This is the Viro drift skateboard. We've never done anything like this, which is saying a lot because we've done everything. So there's some videos right there just like this one. Go ahead and check those out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And let us know what videos you want to see in the future. Just like Nigel and I said.
Yep. Future. I knew you were going to say it. That's why I
know.
told them.
Because you're from the future and you could read my mind.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taco Bell does sound kind of disgusting.
He knows I hate Taco Bell.